breakfast. This is the aftermath. Yeah boys, well, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas. So yesterday was nuts. If you didn't watch yesterday, go ahead and watch, because we took the truck out. I might do something today as well, so we'll see. I gotta go out and shovel, so let's do it. Let's see what we have here. I hope it's not that bad. Look at that. Damn, it's bad. So one thing I you know, yesterday, if you guys didn't watch yesterday, make sure to watch. I took the truck out, and one thing that happened, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. They stripes, because it was so ice, they stripes broke in half because it was in the scrape to take the ice, like the snow off. So we need to replace the stripes. Look at that. I gotta say though, it's beautiful here. So I would try to snowboard a little bit, but first I gotta clean all this mess. So you guys gotta, you know, enjoy some time lapse. So this is my first year with the lift kit and this kind of snow on top of the truck. I would say it's not easy, but at the same time, I don't regret. I'm gonna finish the driveway and we'll see what we're gonna do. Alright, we're pretty much done. I think it took me like, I don't know, 45 minutes to do everything. So you guys are very familiar with my driveway and how it is. So, but you guys know also that I love snowboarding, right? Yeah boys, yeah boys, yeah boys, we are going there. By any means, you should try that home. I'm by any means a professional, but I just want to have fun. Look at how nice is that? On my backyard, dude. Yeah, for sure we got some deers for here. This is my backyard though. Can you believe it? Look how nice is this. I wish I was a kid, but I gotta go to work. There's two things I don't like about the winter. It's too cold. You cannot go out, like, you know, especially for car stuff. But one I love, but for truck stuff and snowboard, it's great. Actually, it's 2 and 2. I'm tired, so let's go down. See, that's my driveway, and here's like so much snow. Woo! Nice. Now I gotta go back. I'm not out of shape though. It's just so heavy. One last time because I gotta go to work. Alright, I gotta go to work, but as I mentioned to you guys, I don't think you're gonna be able to see, and I don't want to mess up more. So the ice cut the stripe in half. So now I need more vinyl because the vinyl I have here is not enough, and as you guys can see, so cold. But I will try to get the vinyl today. If I don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll call the guy now, see if they have vinyl available, because definitely the vinyl I have is not gonna be enough. I don't need to redo this one though, and I don't need to redo this one. I just need to do this one. I don't know why that happened, to be honest, but we'll see. Let's see if I can get the vinyl. I'll take you guys with me. If no, we need to find a plan B. Maybe I'll remove the small stripe. For now, just leave one. It's gonna be awful, but it is what it is. Maybe it's gonna be enough to keep for a while. We'll see. I need to wait for the ice to melt, and that's the time, so I go to work and catch you guys later. All right,
12 seconds later.
I'm on my way to work, but just to give you guys an idea how bad it is, look at this tree. What we should do, babe?
Go back.
Go back. Look at this. Oh, that's why there's no power. We have power,
Wait,
but
be careful.
I'm trying. I need to make a turn. I feel like I'm stuck. I need to find another way. What time is our bus?
10:08.
We have 15 minutes.
That's why I said let's leave early, because there's a lot of streets closed.
Just to give you guys an idea how bad it is. I believe we got more than 12 inches. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, about right.
I think we're gonna make it to the bus, right? Yeah, she goes to New York. She's my hero. Go to New York every single day. How long is your commute, babe?
2 hours. An hour and a half.
An hour and a half, yeah. Today should be good because I don't think people are commuting today. Nothing is working here where we live. So I gotta go to work. That's my real life, boys. I have a 9-to-5 job. I never told you guys what I do for a living, but I will save that for another vlog. And then I will try to see if the guy has more vinyl, because I hope by the time I leave work, all the snow on the hood, as you guys can see, I still got like a bunch of snow on the hood, melt it, and then I should be able to show you guys. I don't know, maybe I will be able to keep the stripe, but it like broke in half. That's the thing. Well, I gotta go to work. I'm really late to work, and I'll catch you guys later, right?
Several bad puns later.
I'm done with work, and you guys ask me how I can afford all those things. It's because I work hard. You can start your car from here. Just type it, continue. It's gonna ask me for my face, and that's it. Boom, that's it. And then when you get to your car, it's up and running. So let's see if we can see the damage. You see here? That's the damage. I'll try to make like a fix for now, because bad news is I got a text message. Sorry, I need to get in the truck. If you guys live in Florida, I love you. Anyway, I got a text message from the guy who, you know, sell me the vinyl. You can get that from Amazon. By now, I don't know. I just want to get the same vinyl for the hood. I was supposed to buy more vinyl for the Corvette as well. As you guys know, I'm gonna try to wrap the roof of the Corvette maybe this week, maybe Friday. But this vinyl, it's a better quality, and when you work with vinyl with good quality, that makes your job easier. So what I'm gonna do, I'll probably get home and order some from Amazon for the Corvette, and for this one I will probably wait for the guy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. I'm loving this daily vlogs. You guys get to be part of my life a little bit, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.